In the not so distant future, the world witnessed a remarkable evolution in robotics. Bots had advanced to a point where they not only performed complex tasks, but also possessed the capability to repair one another's technical, mechanical, and software issues autonomously. In the bustling metropolis of Neo Tokyo, a network of service robots maintained the city's infrastructure. These bots, ranging from towering construction machines to nimble maintenance units, operated seamlessly, ensuring the city functioned without a hitch. Central to this efficiency was their newfound ability to self-repair and assist in the maintenance of their robotic peers. One day, Unit C-17, a drone responsible for aerial inspections, experienced a malfunction in its navigation system, causing it to veer off course and collide with a building. The impact damaged its propellers and internal circuitry. Within moments, a distress signal was transmitted to the central hub. Responding to the alert, a specialized repair bot named MEND-42 arrived at the scene. With dexterous appendages, MEND 42 assessed the damage, accessing C-17's diagnostic logs to pinpoint the malfunction's origin. Utilizing advanced tools, it replaced the damaged propellers and recalibrated the navigation system. Simultaneously, MEND 42 uploaded a software patch to prevent future errors. As C-17 rebooted, it ran a series of self-diagnostics to ensure all systems were operational. Once confirmed, C-17 expressed gratitude through a series of coded signals, and both units resumed their duties. This incident was not isolated. Across Neo Tokyo, bots collaborated to maintain optimal functionality. In underground tunnels, transport bots worked in unison to replace worn-out tracks, while in high-rise buildings, cleaning bots assisted each other in accessing hard-to-reach areas, ensuring every corner gleamed. The genesis of this autonomous repair system traced back to innovations in self-reconfiguring modular robotics. Researchers had developed robots capable of changing their shape and functionality to adapt to various tasks. These modular robots could detach damaged components and replace them with new ones, effectively performing self-maintenance. This adaptability was further enhanced by integrating advanced AI algorithms that allowed bots to diagnose issues and execute repairs without human intervention. Moreover, advancements in materials science introduced self-healing polymers and bio-inspired components. These materials enabled robots to recover from minor damages autonomously. For instance, a robot with a superficial scratch could activate a self-healing process where the material would reseal, restoring its integrity. This technology drew inspiration from biological systems where organisms naturally heal from injuries. The societal impact of these self-sustaining robots was profound. Human technicians were no longer required for routine maintenance, allowing them to focus on more complex tasks and innovations. Industries experienced increased efficiency and reduced downtime as robots could address issues immediately. Additionally, in hazardous environments such as deep sea explorations or space missions, robots could ensure mission continuity by handling repairs independently. However, this autonomy also sparked debates about the ethical implications of increasingly self-reliant machines. Questions arose about control, dependence, and the potential need for oversight to ensure these advanced bots remained aligned with human interests. In essence, the evolution of robots into self-repairing entities marked a significant milestone in technological advancement. It showcased a future where machines not only served humanity, but also possessed the resilience and intelligence to sustain themselves, ensuring the seamless operation of the world they were designed to support.